Hey, it's Ryan with 9-month college grad. If you don't know what this channel is all about, it's basically my channel where I teach people how to graduate and earn college degrees a whole lot faster, like an entire bachelor's degree in as little as 6 to 12 months, while saving tens of thousands of dollars on tuition. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to earn an entire college degree without using textbooks. Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a 2-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how. All right, so how in the world do you graduate college without using textbooks? Because our schools, colleges, and universities tell us to read textbooks. They refer us to textbooks. They test us on things that we learn in textbooks. So how do you ditch those textbooks? Now, here's what I want to tell you. It's 2021, okay? At the time of recording. Maybe you watch this video next year. Right now, it's 2021. We don't ever refer to textbooks to learn things anymore, right? When you need to learn something, you go to YouTube or you go to Google or you use the internet, right? You pull your phone out of your pocket and you ask it a question and you'll get a response. That's how it works. That's 2021 for you, right? The days of us needing to learn something and driving to the library and checking out a textbook and reading a textbook to learn something, those days are over. But for some reason, colleges and universities are still wanting us to read textbooks to learn. It's crazy, okay? So here's how you graduate college without using your textbooks. When your teacher refers you to a textbook and says, go read chapter 2 of the textbook, go to the internet instead, okay? It's that simple. And you might be thinking, well, like, it's not laid, the internet doesn't have the information laid out for me perfectly, and it doesn't tell me, like, I don't know, it doesn't teach me in this progressive order or anything like that. Here's what you do, okay? Let's use an example. Your teacher says, you're taking a math class, and your teacher says, today we're going to be learning about dividing fractions. Okay? What you need to do is read chapter 3 of the textbook to learn how to divide fractions. At that point, you look at the textbook and the chapter says dividing fractions and teaches you through the whole chapter. Well, instead of reading that chapter, go to YouTube and search dividing fractions or how to divide fractions. And you'll see a whole list of thousands of YouTube videos of teachers standing at whiteboards teaching you how to divide fractions. Sounds simple, right? Yes, it's simple, but that's life. We don't have to jump through hoops to learn things anymore. It's the information age. We can learn anything we want as quickly as we want to learn. And the same goes for college. The same goes for earning a college degree. You don't have to pick up and use your textbook. Yes, textbooks can be helpful for some things, like, for example, in the back of a textbook, you can find like a list of vocabulary words for the test you're about to take. Well, you can take that list and use it to study, okay? But as far as like learning principles from textbooks, those days are over. You can dump your textbooks, take a modern day approach, and guess what? College is going to get a whole lot easier when you start using modern resources to learn. Now, if you're interested in earning an entire bachelor's degree in as little as 6 to 12 months, and these principles can help you with a master's degree as well. If you're interested in the process of degree hacking or earning your degree way, way faster without paying all the money, just go to diplomasecrets.com. Diplomasecrets.com. I've got a free training that teaches you degree hacking, how to hack college and earn an entire degree in as little as 6 to 12 months while saving tons of money on tuition. The video is free to watch. There's nothing for sale at the end of the video. So just go to diplomasecrets.com and you can watch it for free. If you found this video helpful, you can like and subscribe to my channel, and you'll see in your feed as you scroll, you'll see more videos of me helping you graduate faster and helping you save money on college. So like and subscribe. I hope this video has been helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next video.